Malta għandha attitudni pożittiva ferm lejn ix-xogħol u l-investiment, b'ħaddiema mħarġa tajjeb fis-settur li jipprovdi makkinarju speċjali li jirriċikla ż-żejt u l-gris. Stqarr dan Kevin Fitzpatrick, direttur tal-kumpanija Iralndiża FM Environmental li tipproduċi l-makkinarju Grease Guardian Frontline Engineering. Għalkemm ilhom jikkollaboraw ma' Malta 20 sena, issa l-kumpanija għandha stazzjon ġdid fil-Marsa biex jilħqu mad-domanda internazzjonali tal-makkinarju li kif spjega Fitzpatrick jippreveni li żjud jew xaħmijiet minn gċejjen kbar jinvadu s-sistemi ta' dranaġġ.
Wherever there's a commercial level of grease, a high level of grease produced, our units are installed in those kitchens and trap and remove the grease, and the grease then can be recycled afterwards. So it basically helps the infrastructure within a town or a city, from being blocked. It helps avoid pump blockages or breakdowns, and also the wastewater treatment process. It alleviates any difficulties that you might get in the wastewater infrastructure by just taking grease. As I said before, it's like taking the cholesterol out of the arteries.
Fitzpatrick spjega kif l-apparat maħdum f'Malta jkun esportat f'diversi pajjiżi madwar id-dinja u fl-aħħar sena dan żdied meta bdew jipprovdu wkoll għas-suq Amerikan. Id-direttur qal li din kienet ta' pressjoni fuq il-ħaddiema Maltin.
We've, in the last 12 months, developed more products than we've done in the last 12 years because we've put pressure on our guys here in Malta to come up with new designs, better products, and as a result of that, we now have doubled our product portfolio. And I'm not saying that it wouldn't happen in other countries, but we're happy that it happens here because we know the results we want to achieve, we can get them here in Malta.
B'uffiċċji fl-Awstralja, fil-Malasja, fir-Russja u reċentament fl-Amerika, FM Environmental qed tespandi l-produzzjoni tagħha. Iżda Fitzpatrick qal li f'dan it-tip ta' xogħol il-kobor ma jiddeterminax is-suċċess.
We are a good example of a small dynamic business that does punch above its weight, and I think that's important. We do subcontract a lot of our componentry out to other Maltese manufacturers, stainless steel manufacturers, precision engineering companies. But we'll probably be growing to another 5 to 6 people in the next 6 to 12 months. We'll probably maybe be taking on sales people over and above that. But I think we've got a good core here as it is at the moment.